Dear friends, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about a polymorphic function. Polymorphic function is a very powerful tool in a MATLAB. It will change its behavior according to the number of input arguments and output arguments. For example, a plot command, which I already showed you in my fifth lecture. We see that to plot command we can give any number of arguments. For example, you can give 2, 3, 4, 5 or n number of arguments. After the size command, random, I have already used random command in many of my lectures, and there are lots of polymorphic function in MATLAB is there. So today I am going to teach you how to create your own polymorphic function. You can do this by using two MATLAB built-in functions. One is narg in and second is narg out. Narg in function will tell you the number of input arguments given to the function or program by a user, and narg out will tell you the number of output arguments. Now let's skip all this part, jump to the MATLAB, and let's see how to use these two MATLAB built-in functions. So here I am going to create one function with my matrix, which will give me a matrix of dimension n cross m, and if I give only one argument, say give a value of n, then going to give me a square matrix, and it's going to give me two matrices or one matrix according to my output number of output arguments. So first use narg in to check how many input arguments is given to the function. So I am using if statement, take a decision according to the number of input arguments. You can here also use equal symbol if you want to, but I am going to use less than sign. And here there are only two possibilities. One, that users enter only one argument, and second, it entered two arguments. So it is easy, you can do just by if a statement, but sometimes you can also use loops if there are lots of possibilities. So if user has enter only one argument, then m is going to equal to n, so it gives me square matrix. And if here you are going to use equal sign, then you have to put 1 in a place of 2. Let's replace it for here. And NF statement. Now get one random matrix which value lies between 0 to 10. So A is equal to, and dimension are n cross m. Now if user asks for two outputs, so if equal to 2, so if user has asked for two output, then make two matrices by using NAND operator, which value lies from 0 to 10, and dimension are again n cross m, not n cross n, and end it. Now let's check if our function is working or not. First I am going to give him only one argument, so it's going to give me a square matrix, let's say 3. So I go to 3 by 3 matrix, but somewhere I go wrong. Line 7, spelling error. I am very bad at spellings. Let's change the format. Right. And make a command a little bit bigger so you can see it. That is, let's say 4, so give me square matrix of 4 by 4, and here we are. Again let's say 3, it's working. And what about two arguments? Let's say 3 by 3 cross 4, yeah, it's working. And now let's ask two outputs. So x and y. Oops, I forgot equals sign, my bad. And here you are. Now when people ask me why I use narg out, if I don't use it, just remove this and come again. And if you just remove this part, then also function is going to run. And if I ask for two outputs, then going to two output, right? But if you use narg out, it will save the time of MATLAB for calculations. Now obviously this is just few microseconds, but sometime maybe here you bigger calculations and you can save few minutes. So it is good habit for a good programmer. And here I created one more function with AND matrix name. Let's get it bigger. Here you go. So it give me 4 output matrix. If I ask only one matrix, they're only going to give me one matrix. If I 2, it's going to give me 2 matrix. 3, then going to give me 3 matrix, and for 4, it's going to give me 4 random matrix. So this way you create a function which changes behavior according to your input arguments and output arguments. So try by yourself, and this is very powerful tool in MATLAB. So here we end our session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.